Hello everyone, a 90-year-old traditional Chinese medicine doctor taught me a dish that even professional chefs are deeply impressed by after tasting it. If you want to stay healthy without gaining weight, make sure to watch this video to the end. Learning this dish in autumn and winter is a must. It really has countless benefits for your body. First, we prepare a fresh baby Napa cabbage. Break the leaves off one by hand. Be sure not to use a knife, as cutting it will make the leftover cabbage spoil more easily. After washing it clean, cut it up. Then slice it diagonally into small pieces. Once cut, place the pieces in a bowl for later use. Prepare a piece of firm tofu, as this type has a richer bean flavor. Cut it into thick slices, then into strips. Next, cut the strips into small cubes. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Next, prepare 3 authentic hen eggs and crack them into a bowl. There's no need to beat the eggs, this way the flavor will be better. Heat the pan, add a little oil. With a hot pan and cool oil, pour in the eggs. Fry slowly over medium-low heat until the eggs set. Once set, gently shake the pan to ensure even heating. Once one side of the eggs is golden brown, flip them over. Continue to fry slowly over medium-low heat. After frying, pour in boiling water at 99 degrees Celsius. Use plenty of water. Then turn the heat to high and bring the soup to a boil. After about 2 minutes, you'll have a pot of vegetarian broth. It has a faint aroma, the soup is as silky and white as milk, and the taste is incredibly delicious. Then break the eggs into small pieces to make them easier to eat. Add the baby bok choy. Pour in the beans. Add a few slices of fresh ginger. Add 2 spoonfuls of salt. Then cover with a lid and cook for 3 minutes to bring out the fresh flavors of the ingredients. When the time is up, open the lid. Wow, it smells amazing. Finally, add a little bit of pepper. Sprinkle a few goji berries on top. This instantly boosts the nutrition even more. A delicious and fragrant 3-delicacy soup is now ready. Although the ingredients are very simple, it's packed with nutrition. And the best part is, it doesn't make you gain weight. Every time I make a pot at home, it's never enough. If my video has been helpful to you, please do me a favor and give it a like and share it. Thank you for your support, and see you next time.